channel. It's your girl once again, and as usual I'm here with another amazing videos for you guys on Poppo live stream. So looking at the title of this video, it says I'm going to be showing you the ways, the major ways, and I think the only ways you can earn money on Poppo live stream. If you're new and you're confused about what I'm saying, go straight to the description. You will see a link that will explain to you how this app works and what you need to do for you to start earning your own money. So basically on this video I'm going to be showing you how, or the ways you earn from this app, you understand. So if you're watching this video, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post anything on Poppo live stream app, you'll be the first to be notified whenever that video is posted on YouTube. Do not also forget to turn on the notification button so you can be easily notified whenever I post video. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. Alright guys, so the first way in which you can earn money on the Poppo live stream app is by performing your tax. Yeah, that is the major thing you do on this app that pays you daily. That is the first and the most important thing to do, that you can earn money from the Poppo live stream. If you don't know the types of tax they perform on this app, I made a video concerning how to perform the tax and the major taxes that you'll be performing, you understand, so you can earn money on Poppo live stream. The link will also be in the description so you can go straight and go and watch it. So concerning this, the first thing you need to do, especially if you are a new host on this app, is to go live. What is going live? What does go live mean? Is to go live means for you to open up a live stream. Yeah, if you understand what I mean. You go live, you make a video of yourself, you see yourself, you meet friends, you understand. If you can understand going live, when go live means, so that is making a live stream. That is the first task you have to do when you are done with your necessary registrations on this app, you understand. When you go live, if you're a new host, if you go live for the first 1 hour, you'll be given $1. Then the next day again, you also be given $1. If you keep doing your live stream, you'll be given $1, and you must not miss it because it's a bonus for new hosts. Yeah, that being said, the other task you have to perform as a host on this Poppo live stream app is to sit on the crown seat. What is the crown seat? Crown seat is all any golden chair you found in someone's party. With time you'll be able to understand this. If you go and check the video on performing tax, you'll be able to understand where the crown seat is located and how to find the crown seat. So when you sit on the crown seat for like 1 hour, 2 hours, you also be paid. So that is the major tax you do on Poppo live stream. So the second way you earn money on the Poppo live stream is through referrals. Although referrals is optional because it's not crowned, it's not saying the major way to earn money on the app. There are major ways, other ways you can earn money on the app. Like performing your tax, for example, is the main way you earn money on the app. So referrals, if you feel you have a lot of traffic, you have a lot of people you can refer to this app, that would also be a nice way for you to make money on this app. Is an additional way for you to make money on this app. If you are doing your tax and you are getting your payment daily, if you refer people into the app, remember you're not just going to refer people into the app. Yeah, if they are done with their necessary registration, you are not going to instantly receive your referral bonus. They have to perform their tax for 3 good days. Yeah, for example, today, for example, if you refer somebody, the person goes live for 1 hour, they'll be counting it. The second time, if the person goes out live for 2 hours and receives his or her reward the second day, they will also count it. Then the third day, if you receive, the person goes live and receive his or her reward the third day, you that referred the person will be automatically be credited with $1. Yeah, I've experienced it, so that's why I said let me tell you so you guys know how the referral works. It's not just by referring somebody immediately you earn the referral bonus if the person uses your referral link. And yeah, my referral link is in the description in case you are new to the app. If you want to go about it, you can also take my referral link. I will not be getting an instant bonus, but when you're done with your tax for like 3 days, I'll be rewarded $1. And also if the person you are referring does his or her tax for 5 days, again, you know I'm saying this, I'm not saying 5 hours, because although it's the same thing as 5 hours, but the person has to do it and receive his or her reward. That is the daily payment, you understand. I will also receive $1 if you do your tax for for 5 hours and also do your task for 3 hours, that's 3 days, I'll be able to receive my $1. That's how I receive referral bonus. So it's optional. If you want to do this, if you have people that are going to be interested in this, make sure you have earned some amount of money and you have withdrawn, so you can have basic proof to you can have tangible proof to give them, so they will believe that yes, the app is real. For me, like me, for example, I've withdrawn from the app for 2 times now, and that is the proof that is helping me out, and I'm referring people to the app. So that's just it. So guys, the third way you can earn money on the Poppo Livestream app is by being an agent. Yeah, if you want to be an agent, first thing, you have to be referred by an agent. You have to use an agent, someone who's already an agent. You have to use their agent link. I'll also be putting my agent link in the description, so if you want to go about it, it's fine, you can also. And there's also a video I made on how to be an agent, what it entails. You can go and watch it also, because I'll be dropping it in the link in the description, and it's going to help you out, so you won't just go and waste your time. So yeah, you're gonna be earning by being an agent. When you're an agent on the Poppo app, you'll be referring people to the app, and they'll be joining your agency. You'll be referring them to use your ID to join your agency. You understand? So I also have an agency, so you can also if you want to join an agency, you can use my ID number. It's also been in the description. You can also join the agency. So that's it. People will be joining your agency, and if they continue to do their tasks continuously, although you will not be earning big, that's just it. There will be some commission that they'll be giving to you, that at the end of the month they will pay you. You understand? So, but the commission is not going to be very big. The more the person performs the task, you'll be rewarded small points here and there. So there's not really being an agent is not a very lucrative way of making money on the app. Let me just put it like that. So I think that's about being an agent. The other fourth way for you to earn money on the Poppo Livestream app is by referring people to become an agent with your agent link. Yeah, if you refer people, that one is even the most lucrative way of making money on the app. If you refer people based on what I've experienced, you refer people with your referral link. If they become an agent, their earnings and all that will be calculated, and you'll be rewarded mightily. Yeah, because I think I've gotten almost $4 now by just referring to people to become an agent with my agent link. So I think referring somebody with your agent link is another way you can earn money. Whatever they earn, you understand, whatever they earn on the app, if they are being paid, I think they'll be paying you $1 above. I don't know how they calculated it, but I just saw the money there. So that is another way for you to earn money on the Poppo Livestream. Then I think this is another additional ways for you to earn money on the Poppo Livestream is by getting money or coins from the live stream, from the fireworks or the treasure box. I also made a video on that. If you want to understand it very well, just go and watch the video. So if you get some coins in the fireworks or the treasure box, it's continuing to increase and increase. You can actually do it as exchange. If you understand what I mean, you can use it as an exchange, and that will be credited automatically to your withdrawal balance. So that is another way for you to earn money on the Poppo Livestream. And also if you have gifters on the Poppo Livestream, people that are willing to gift you, yeah, because if they are gifting you, that is also money. So guys, you can see that there are various ways for you to earn money on the Poppo Livestream, and it is real. It is going to be withdrawn straight to your bank account. Yeah, people do not believe, but there's a percentage they remove to do the exchange rate, especially for those that are withdrawing in naira. You understand? And yeah, it will enter into your bank account straight. So that is all about the ways for you to earn. If you want to go about it, it's fine. If you don't have time, it's fine. But if you know you've gotten something to the end, to this moment, please do not forget to like this video. It helps my channel, and also subscribe. You can share it to those that will be in need of this. It helps my channel, and it's a way of telling me thank you for the information you're giving to us. So that's basically it, guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video.